Welcome, everyone. I just wanted to brag a little bit on Linnie and all the good food that she cooks and shares with their neighbors.
Rotating the calves this evening. They've got that picked down and happy to be over here. Happy campers. Okay, we're up here. Explain to me exactly what you're doing in your own words. In your own words.
In my own words, I am putting electric fence signs up, in my own words, for liability purposes, in case anybody comes up here that should not be up here.
Yeah, well, they shouldn't be up here then, should they?
Well, no, but if they get shocked,
Yeah.
I don't want them to get shocked.
No, we don't want that at all, do we?
No. I don't want to. What?
you're doing a super job.
I know.
And sun is setting down in East Tennessee on Rebel Hollow.
Springs Farm. Rebel Hollow Springs Farm.
Yep.
In your own words, what are you doing?
I'm building a spot where I can load up these cows easily.
Easily?
They always cooperate.
Because they don't always cooperate?
They always cooperate.
Oh.
Yep. This ain't my first rodeo.
It's your second or third?
Yeah.
You don't want help?
They were so glad to get out of there in the green grass.
Yeah. It's okay. Mr. Independent doesn't want any help, huh?
So far, you're doing a good job.
Just taking video. Staying out of the way. It's a nice day, though, today, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it sure is. Hey, I forgot to do something.
What do you need?
Got to unplug it. That's still plugged up, ain't it?
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, we're on to find out.
Go ahead. Touch it. Tell me how it feels. In your own words.
You probably won't want to know my own words.
They look good, huh? Hi, babies. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, babies. Okay, so AmeriGas is here to pick up the tank and get it off the property. It's Tuesday, May 5th, probably about 12:30ish, give or take. And the guy here is going to crane it up onto his truck and get it out of the yard. Good afternoon, everyone, from Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. So today I'm back working on the potting shed. I was going to get my yard mowed here on the farm, but I threw the belt on the mower and I need some man strength to get it put back on. So I came back up here to the potting shed. And what I'm doing right now is pulling off those two side pieces of trim. And then I've also demolished and taken apart the stairs where we're going to replace the old rotted out stairs with those beautiful rocks from the barn. So that's going to look really nice. And while I've done this, I've added some screws and nails to the tin to just kind of secure it and put it down. But I need to go down and get a ladder, so more to follow.